Dear friend, it is the new year. I'm 8 hours away from home.
Of any.
It's all bombers.
See, this works if the enemy team did not bring a levy with fighters to gun you down.
Yeah. Alright, for our game, share me, I can deny A for a reasonable amount of time.
What if we did the inverse of what we usually do, and instead of pushing B, we push D?
I mean that works, but like we need voxels if we want to push D. So how about we just no, the D push is fine. Like
What?
I can position for the
Should I
D push
send
if
my
we want.
sprinter to D?
I think no. Chill. Hang it around A first, and then we'll see. Like between A D.
Yeah.
And like we'll see.
So like, where should I put my
Or-
sprinter? My sprint.
Like near E, I
my-
guess.
Yeah. I'll be underneath Jeremy and Miku. Is that how to name
Like down
Miku?
so we can stare at D on
Yeah.
A. And what? Put my sprinter so it can capture D, or is someone else?
Oh,
gonna do that?
share me also changed tag.
Someone got B, yeah. I can take
Yeah.
B.
Yeah, we got
no,
melee
if
vault.
I can take B.
no. I think you should take like I think they can take the other like the fifth guy because like yeah.
Is the meat vault dot B? Yeah. So true.
Yeah, Sabertooth.
Right. Lucky him. I hope they brought bombers because I want to breadstick some bombers.
This map
That's
is
evil.
so red. You don't understand how red this map is.
I think most of the maps are red.
Shit, 3 medium-sized drive sigs, top in the middle. I'm afraid
Yeah,
that
that's
if those are
liners.
One small drive sig like right on A, so that's almost definitely
What are
gonna
our
be
orders,
the
Commander? Go ahead,
shit
Commander.
capper.
Acknowledged. Falling in. We'll be there before you know it.
Aye, proceeding.
Standing by. What can we do for you, Commander? Understood. We're en route.
So let's
Moving out,
if you're gonna
Commander.
push D, then like
Receiving.
yeah, that's a good idea actually.
To that position.
Aye, Commander.
You
Moving
just
out.
see where my
Your orders, Commander.
D point pushes.
Quiet. Commands on the
Alright, I
line.
also need to press this button.
I'm gonna
Full
move
speed.
Quiet, commands on the
A so I
line.
can still have a good visual on Alpha in case
Send
they try to
traffic.
cap it right at the beginning.
Standing by.
Yeah, no, if you can sit at a spot where you can like hit both A and D, that's pretty nice. Because you've got your own cover with you. You're not like limited like I am.
Your orders, Commander.
Yeah, portable cover.
Turning up the engines.
We're ready when you
Yeah.
are, Commander.
That's the name
Awaiting
of the fleet.
orders,
portable
Commander.
cover.
I'm just realizing I didn't bring like breadsticks on my
Like whale
offset.
today, Commander.
Bit sad. I think we did.
Uh-oh, I've spotted something going for E.
Uh-oh.
I think it might be a Solomon.
Oh, God.
Based off
Yeah,
the TQ
securing zoning
that it was. Hold on, let me see what the CCs are.
Get his
seeing
ass.
here.
Standing by.
Oh, it's big. Oh no, that is an Axford at least. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
What can we do for you, Commander?
Tube clear.
Send traffic.
We hear you, Command.
Like our cat, like we've got 3 Axfords and a
Standing
Solly
by.
stacking on the right crack, and then 1 Axford on the left side. Sure.
Orders, Commander.
Oh.
Moving to that position.
Do you have voice?
Jaffa? What does that mean? Oh, I see. Right.
I see.
Hands on the line.
Course laid in.
I'm
I
learning
don't
ironic.
see it.
Secured
anything.
zone
Very
eclipse.
cool.
Quiet. Commands
I
on
know
the line.
Spanish. I know a
We
little
hear
bit
you,
of German.
Command.
I know a little bit of.
Yeah, you have
Receiving. Awaiting orders, Commander.
French, no
Oh,
clue.
they got D.
Awaiting your orders.
Yeah, they
Command.
captured D.
Oh,
Command.
hello.
Hello there.
Oh, it's a
How
beam
can we help today,
Solomon.
Commander?
No!
Oh,
Commander.
No!
Fine.
you gotta do
Be
it to
there
him,
before
Scrubbers.
you know
You
it.
gotta do it.
Do it to him, Scrubbus.
Receiving.
Get him.
Hey, Alpha 7363 is approaching.
We're ready when you are, Commander. Moving out, Commander.
Yeah. I don't have crossfix.
Ow.
What? Command's on the line. Yes, Commander. We hear you, Command.
TTGI, don't
underway.
fail me now.
Oh god, I'm
Receiving.
bombing him.
Oh no.
Awaiting
He
orders,
doesn't have enough
Commander.
PD
Awaiting
anymore.
orders, Commander.
Oh, I think he's dead.
One hit each on the decappers.
Copy. Opening fire. Understood. Engaging the enemy.
On the way. Gaining fire control. The enemy is
Well, those bombs are rockets.
Mine. I just
Yeah.
That's
I
a,
just fucked him up with the
Fire,
rockets.
that's a
and then
double
I hit him
gun
with the
capper.
rockets.
That's a double gun
Incoming
capper with,
missile.
yeah. With one Bavis. Bavis.
Yeah, he's gonna fucking die. Confirm
Sure,
mass
dude.
drive liners. Mass drive liners. That was right.
Oh, MDLN, no. Jeremy, you need to alter.
Position.
Yeah.
Oh,
Fire
Oh,
on the scope.
oh.
Good dodge.
Commander,
Good
Good
dodge.
dodge.
destroyed.
Okay, ACAP's dead.
Commander, we need more ammo. Aye, aye, Commander. Moving
I don't think
now.
we're getting the A though.
Wow.
Command's on the line. Turning up the engines now. Course laid in.
Moving up to provide.
We're underway.
What is it? Spacecraft cover.
We hear you, Commander.
A second one, 2655. Second ferryman. Second ferryman.
Yep, firing.
We're getting a lock.
Launching missiles.
I'm firing missiles.
Commander, ready when
That's
you
a
are.
lock and double Pavis shuttle. I don't think it's armed. I don't think it counts as armed. It's lock and double Pavis.
Yeah, but killing it so we don't have to deal with another
Missile
cap
inbound.
asset.
Yep, yep.
We hear you,
Good.
Commander. Commander, we lost our
Two
engines.
ferrymans moving on our right hand side. Could be
We
rocket
have to
shuttles.
disable.
Beware. 2570 and friend.
Yeah. No, we have enough
Commander,
pickets. We should
the
be
enemy
fine.
has a lock on us.
Oh no,
Our ship is
ACAP died.
finished, Commander. We're evacuating.
Shame.
Awaiting orders, Commander.
Spiker. How can we help today,
Oh, that's always pretty to
Commander?
look at.
What are our
Oh, did you
orders,
just hybrid
Commander?
the 2655 as well?
Yeah, cheap
At the ready,
hybrids.
Commander.
Yep. Alright, ceasing fire. No need.
Awaiting orders, Commander. Aye, Commander. We're moving.
Oh man, why did my ACMs try to go through a rock to intercept the
We are
plane?
en route, Commander.
Yeah, keep them on point, or yet
Turning
better
up
yet,
the
keep them on
engines now.
manual.
Command's on the line.
We're ready when
What
you
is
are,
There
Commander.
is two ferrymen below.
Ready.
Yeah, okay, they're trying to kill me.
3200 is a scout. I am going to go kill it.
Oh god, it's Axford's.
We hear you, Command.
Oh my god, they have S1s. Please kill me.
Got you 5 by 5. Awaiting your
Just blow
orders,
me up. Just blow me up.
Huh?
Come on.
One
Oh.
more to kill
Standing
them.
by.
That's
3200 should be a
My bombing's
skiff.
doing.
7756 moving up. It's something.
Moving. Engaging target.
Understood. We're en
Two
route.
ferrymen aren't moving.
Ready.
Man, they need to buff
Command's on the
100, 120 RPFD.
Turning up the engines now.
Yeah, it's so bad.
Moving.
It's like it needs to be at least as good as 100 flag.
What are our orders, Commander? We are locked on to target.
That's a life pod.
Turning up the engines
I'm being
now.
told to hop on dark.
I
Titan for
almost
actual fun.
shot
ready
a
when you
life
are,
pod.
Commander.
So funny.
Got you 5 by 5. Retrograde burn to 0.
Someone Someone once sent
Awaiting
like
your orders, Commander.
50 rocket shuttles into my face and then complained when I shot like the light pod. I was like, I didn't know there were like 5 unknown contacts. I was shooting them.
Firing on that target. Heading there now. Course laid in. Awaiting orders, Commander.
I may have blundered here. Oh, shit.
Got you 5x5.
They've got 100 mil on
We
my
hear you,
spinner.
Command.
You're dodging it for now. Just make sure they don't get locked.
Target lock achieved.
Can't help you there.
Awaiting orders, Commander.
Can we get 8? Actually. No, not gonna risk it. Not gonna risk it. Unless we got that like reinforced shit.
I'm stuck between 2 liner groups. That's why I'm a
We
little.
are jamming the
Yeah, no,
target.
I'm pushing down to
Firing
help you.
solution locked in.
Gonna push down to help with sharing you too.
Heading there now, Commander.
5383 is plasma marking prio.
We'll be there before you know it.
I think all of them are
You heard the
plasma.
orders.
I don't
Confirm
freeze.
all obby. All obby.
Send your traffic.
Shit.
Command's on the line. Awaiting your orders, Commander.
4,000 meters.
Right away. What are our orders, Commander? Firing solution locked in. Send your traffic. Turning up the engines now. Jammer online. We can take him.
I'm gonna drop low to help with
You
the
heard
deep
the
push.
orders. Let's go.
Heard.
Send your traffic.
5411 is a 450 liner, and friend 5330.
Awaiting your orders, Commander. Engaging. Aye, aye, Commander. You heard the orders. Here now, Commander. We're underway.
Creaturecello, both of them, 5441, 5530.
Are they a solo? Yeah, they are a solo. my
I
bad.
think they're a solo, yeah. The firing pattern is a solo.
Sorry, I couldn't see proper. I was.
It's fine, it's fine.
trying to
I'm
dodge.
sinking them. They're out of my range, actually.
Turning up the engines now. Heading here now, Commander. On the way, Commander. We hear you, Command. Send your traffic.
There's missiles going out for the triple liners.
Receiving.
Ooh, they're like just out of range.
Awaiting
And they got
orders,
ASF cover
Commander.
too, it's not great.
Traffic. Engaging.
Please move.
Standing by. Holding.
Oh, I have a bunch of fighters headed my way.
Yeah, I'm moving to cover you.
Awaiting your orders.
If I turn left, I can.
Aiming the planes is fucking based.
I mean, if you have the fidelity to do it, they might
Hostile
not.
lock detected. They got a buzzer out there. Our sensors are
I'm
all
out
over the
range
place.
PD for you. Sorry, Jeremy.
At the ready, Commander. Talk to us.
Shit.
Low missile warning. Ready.
Fucking time dilation.
How can we help today, Commander?
Oh shit, no. They all went they all went for Jeremy's shaft.
Send your traffic.
Careful, 3220-8691.
What is it,
Approaching
Command?
Echo, right hand side. Like
Yeah.
the
Go ahead,
shuttle
Command.
I mentioned before.
I see them, I see them.
Halting. Moving.
Sabertooth, you gotta move,
Understood.
you gotta move.
Engaging.
Oh, nope. Dead. Yikes.
Standing by. We hear you, Command.
If anyone has visual on 8 or line of sight with 8338,
It'll be done,
we
Commander.
need to murder that motherfucker, likely EO Pike.
Firing.
Missile away.
Oh my god, he's grumming. I'm ready.
Go ahead, Command.
Using a Torpecello. I'm so proud.
The blues are evolving.
Missile on the way. Talk to us. Got you 5x5.
Share me, keep your thing hidden. I
It'll
can
be
kill
done,
the
Commander.
Shabas.
Engaging.
The enemy is securing Zone Eclipse.
I might need to recap it though. I can definitely kill them, I just need recap.
Send traffic.
Their gun. Good
Aye, aye.
hits.
Full burn.
Locking them up.
Yeah, it's command and they got no
Yeah,
ball.
we see them. Solution locked in. Bring us to a
Good
stop.
hits, I think, on both. Not sure how
Yeah,
dead they are.
quite-
You might have to check. Oh, denied. Yeah, good.
Solution locked in.
Oh no. Well, you might have to like visually check them.
Aye, aye. Proceeding.
Locking them up.
Course laid in.
We're under attack, Commander.
Eyes on target.
Yeah, you just need to finish them, I think.
Alright, I need to space out. These liners are approaching me, but I got jam on
Standing
so they
by.
can't see me quite yet.
Yeah, try to get them into the
enemy
crack.
has
I can.
secured Zone Eclipse.
Yep, that's the plan.
Send your traffic.
I'm gonna give you fighter cover.
We are securing Zone
Oh
Dagger.
god, the
What are our
Saxford is
orders,
dead.
Commander? Turning up the engines now.
Send traffic. We've got them now.
6537 is a monitor.
Yeah, we see them.
We are securing Zone Eclipse. We are securing Zone Eclipse.
Engaging target.
Aye, aye. Full burn.
Establishing lock. Go ahead, Command. Holding.
Uh,
Quiet. Command's on the line.
requesting fighter
At the ready,
cover.
Commander. Aye, Commander.
Coming.
I only have 3 Tantos, but
Are those? Oh yeah.
Low missile warning. They're taking shots at us.
Awaiting
Doing my
orders,
best.
Commander. Moving out, Commander.
actually no, wait, this.
On the way. We've got incoming fire. Missile tube clear.
Why are my ACMs going into the fucking rock?
Understood. Engaging the
We have
enemy.
secured Zone Dagger.
This is not the
We're
time for this
underway,
bullshit.
Commander.
Looks like we're being jammed.
Quiet. Command's on the line. I'd hate to be on the other side of those.
What can we do for you, Commander?
Giving you
We're
command ball.
underway,
Securing
Commander.
Zone Atlas.
Awaiting your order.
We have secured Zone Eclipse.
Sure, you got A? Yeah, right. Cool.
Incoming. We hear you.
Got D.
Our ship is
We're
jammed.
underway, Commander.
Right. Nice shit. Nice work.
Missiles are
Aye, aye,
getting low.
Commander.
Rockets out.
Looks like we're being jammed.
On share me? Yeah, on share me.
We're ready when you are,
We're
Commander.
low on ammo. Engaging.
Copy that, Commander. Aye, aye,
Oh, I got
Commander.
something to
Moving out.
capture A point. Will you
Those are sturgeons. Yeah, my
Command's on the line. They got a
missiles
buzzer
are
out there.
mass launching.
Firing missiles.
How you doing, Solus?
Alright,
On
only
the
a few
way.
rockets made it through.
I should be able to get most of
Missiles
these.
away.
I'm out of ACMs though.
Yeah, no, but I've got a bunch left. I just fired most of mine though.
A component is gone.
Bit sad.
Missile reserves are getting slim.
Good hits.
We're almost out of missiles.
A lot of their craft is getting shot down either by
We're low on ammo. Cutting the engine.
Shermie's defenders or my RPF is slowly bringing them down.
Course laid in.
Yeah, no, you're jamming so good in this like tight ass crack that like they can't even see me.
I know.
It's so funny.
That's why.
It's so
that's why I
funny.
was like, this
Awaiting
is
orders,
where we
Commander.
hold.
This goes so hard, actually.
Jamming activated, Commander.
7-2
is dead.
50.
Copy.
Dead. Marking
Opening
kill.
fire.
Good kill.
Attempting
Good
target
kill.
lock.
We are securing zone
Standing
access.
by.
Switching 120 AP on
Ooh,
5.
Shermie's getting hit.
Commander.
Oh wow!
Open fire. Initiating
Wow,
attack.
that flat cover from the BB from the CH. Holy.
Aye, aye, Commander.
Where?
Moving out.
No, Shermie's ACAP.
Ah.
Order
It's at an
received.
angle to us.
Engaging
Like I
now.
think we fire AP.
Target. Engaging.
Yep, firing AP.
No, it's an angle to
Activating buzzers.
me. I don't know about you. It might be flat enough for you.
Understood.
Ready.
It's not, but it's quite like
No, it's like at an insane angle.
Don't
to
have
me.
a lot of ammunition.
it's quite burnt, so I could get away with it. But
Did I get?
I'm
Did
gonna fight.
I? Oh no, I don't.
Understood.
The enemy is securing zone
What's on
dagger.
D?
Get it done, Commander.
Ferryman, 2 of them.
Target locked.
I can get. Well, I can get the one on the right, but I don't have. I'm included to the one on the left.
I'm included to one on the left just about now. Switching to 6537.
Oh no, I've got both.
We'll
I've
get
got
it
both.
done, Commander.
As long as we can hold
Order
blocks on them, I'm
received.
firing
Engaging
missiles.
now. We'll get it done, Commander.
Zone Atlas.
7756 Guncello.
Copy. Engaging
approaching.
now. Affirmative.
Ooh, defender lock in. Oh,
Commander, the enemy is using
Jammers are going.
attempting lock-on.
Jammers are burnt.
Commander,
I need
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
destroyed.
At the ready, Commander.
We're out of ammo.
it's fine. I got them.
They destroyed a module. All personnel,
Keep lock on
both.
abandon ship. I repeat,
Can't get locked.
abandon
Included
ship.
to 5383.
Mostly for lightning, I think, because the other one's got the other one.
Ammunition stores.
Come on, come on.
We're underway. At the ready, Commander. Got you 5 by 5.
The enemy
Good
securing
hits.
zone dagger.
I hit both, but I'm not sure if they're dead.
No.
I don't think they're dead yet.
Orders, Commander.
It's up to swamp
Standing
then.
I got 120 HE on both of them. If you keep lock on those ferrymen, they will die.
Helm,
Oh,
take a
And
right.
lock on 4181, 4181.
Get locked.
Yeah, got it, got it.
Bastards got us! What are our orders, Commander? Moving to that position.
We
Got
got a
you
cello.
5 by 5. Beginning the attack.
6537
Take
is
him out.
dead. Marking kill.
7756 is in a
We are
cello.
securing zone dagger.
Yep. It is sight on at the moment.
How can we help today, Commander?
Engines out on 6103.
Roger that.
Kill 4181. Yeah.
4181 switching RPF. No lock.
Go ahead, Command. Establishing lock.
I gotta roll for a bit to get locked on that side.
It's okay. I think it's gonna escape. I'd rather take out the engines.
Oh no, it's occluded. Yeah. I'm gonna push the cello, despite how risky that might be.
Go ahead, Command.
Okay, I'm gonna full kill 6103.
Awaiting orders, Commander.
Yeah, no, it's probably the CV. Yeah, I'm gonna orient for that.
Aye, aye, Commander. Turning up the engines now. Ready. Lock on warning.
Oh shit! Yeah, that's cello.
We have secured zone dagger.
Engaging target. Send your traffic.
6103 full killed. Marking.
Under attack.
Someone shoot
yeah,
7756, please. That's a cello. I messed up. That is a cello.
Jamming.
Out of missiles. Buzzer active.
Partially occluded to me. Moving up to try to get it.
It's fine. The cello's side on to me though. It's also not turning the right way.
I'm also trying to provide PD for you, but it's looking kind of grim.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. My soft kill's got it.
Oh, what the fuck? It missed you and then hooked around to try to kill me.
Home on jab is
Got you
crazy.
5 by 5. This lock on warning.
7756 occluded. Firing.
Oh, top
Got
side,
you
top
5
side,
by
top side.
5. Take
Those
them
are
out.
spear. Those are rockets. Oh, yo, those hurt.
Power's on.
That hurt.
Energy systems online.
I think Big died though.
Fully reinforced
Commander.
is
We're
really
moving.
so nice. Oh, then locked on.
None of my ACMs did anything. They kind of just went into rocks or. Wow.
Solo kinda has shit PD. Weirdly, huh?
Negative. You're not gonna
Yeah.
At the ready, Commander.
Solo
I
was
killed
rocket.
4181. I killed the shuttle.
Nice.
Aye aye. Full power.
Are we looking on points? Not
Aye
bad,
aye.
not bad.
Full power.
I'll need a moment to
Go ahead, Command.
refresh, rearm, repair.
Oh, no,
shit!
please.
Moving
He's
on.
right there. He's right there.
Oh god.
7756
I'm
is coming up.
Oh, they have fighters.
There now.
Yeah,
It'll be done,
fighters.
Commander.
it's locked
How can we
me,
help
but like
today,
I'm head
Commander?
on to it anyways. Right.
Oh my god, their first fighter screen. Are they gonna launch?
Power's back on.
Oh, that's fucking insane.
Understood.
I have no
Engaging.
ammo right now, by the way. It's
Copy that.
hilarious.
Moving. Copy that.
At this
Moving.
range, they can't see my sprinters.
Got you 5 by 5.
Missiles out. Missiles. I don't know what type. S2
I
probably.
did not. I don't think those will ban. But
Incoming.
Yeah, those are S2. I have no PD.
Oh.
a couple hits. but
Working.
Not worth 8 bombers.
Wake primary, act secondary. Okay, strange.
Aye aye, Commander.
Yeah,
I have 4
wait.
tunnels. They should be fine.
Wake primary, act secondary.
Send your traffic. Can't comply, Commander. Incoming enemy fire.
Oh, come on, guys.
I would like my fucking
Can't comply,
magazines back,
Commander. At the ready, Commander.
guy. What the fuck is going on? I would like my magazines.
Moving out.
Ocello's not moving.
Yeah, so it's dead in the water, I think. Probably. Yeah, you're overpanning it with HE. He's definitely dead in the water.
We're a little banged up, Commander.
I got 120 HE on his side too, going.
I think 120
At the
is
ready,
like
Commander.
AP no matter what on solo.
Oh, I thought. Oh, wait, yeah.
Our drive's malfunctioning, Commander. Go ahead, Command.
Don't read my guns.
I would love to just
the ready,
kill
Commander.
those multi-rolls, but I don't think I can.
On the way, Commander. Requesting repairs. ASAP. Copy that. Moving. We have you loud and clear. Would if I could, Commander. We hear you, Command.
He's programming more missiles.
We are en route, Commander. At the ready, Commander. Missile inbound firing solution. Negative. Too far. Right away. Our ship's power is at 0.
Laser gonna hit.
Incoming enemy fire.
Wow.
We're green.
Really?
Prepare to monitor.
Wow.
Our component is destroyed. Send your traffic. On the scope. Buzzers activated.
2293.
Executing order.
Nice. Good beam.
Requesting repairs. ASAP.
Oh, I hit. That's so funny to me.
We're on our way. How can we help today, Commander? It'll be done, Commander. They launched on electronic fires.
Empty the tubes.
Missile going out. Got you 5 by 5. Aye aye, Commander. We're
Service
moving.
block.
Module's back online.
Firing order.
We're taking damage!
Strange device.
Go ahead, Command.
That monitor shouldn't have any restores left. I haven't seen it do anything. I just
He's
haven't
dead.
had time to kill it.
Yes, Commander.
Bunch of fighters inbound towards us.
At
Good
the
luck.
ready, Commander.
What is it, Commander?
Aye, aye.
We're almost out of missiles, Command. We can't
Send your traffic.
Okay, I think our Axford fleets are very good together because you bring the
Acknowledged.
extra firepower I don't have in the
Understood.
form of
Engaging.
hybrids.
Understood. Engaging.
I think,
Buzzers
no,
activated.
these aren't really that good at killing, like... They're good at killing stuff that 450 doesn't kill very well, meaning shuttles, MMTs, that kind of shit.
Oh, I have that in the shape of a bunch of Mark 61s.
Yeah, I know.
Receiving. Our module is repaired.
Stop the ship.
Oh, Singular EO Pike is getting a
Moving
lock
out.
on us.
Orders,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's a lot of fighter groups.
I see that, I see that, I see that.
At the ready, Commander.
Ocello
You
is
guys wanna
dead.
see
Mark
me
and
blow up the
kill.
carrier?
Modder also dead. Marking.
Oh no, I missed. I'm pretty sure I got that.
Our power's back
Jam,
up.
jam, jam.
Buzzers activated.
Yep.
We've lost engine power.
I don't know which way they're coming from though. If they come from top side, I'm gonna have to adjust.
Ready.
Yeah.
No, no, the game's ending.
No, it's fine. I got shoulder, I got like shoulder mounted, defender, and it's like top headed anyways.
Ready.
Cello's dead, yeah. You push?
Oh, they
Send it.
pop out within flak range. Huge, huge.
Oh, hell yeah.
Ready.
I'm out of PD missiles.
We'll handle it.
Yeah, I'm just straight up out of
Go
PD.
ahead, Command. Our drive's been repaired.
A lot of static here.
Go ahead, Command.
That's a spearfish. Yeah.
Damn, our half
Ooh,
carrier
yikes.
player put in some work. I only did 17
It'll be
kills.
done, Commander.
That's crazy.
Is there? Oh, is
Yeah.
no one else in this
Getting
UC,
a
like,
lock.
on your team? Is it just-
No,
No, Scrubbers is playing solo.
I just
like, cheering
I just
on it.
nuked a couple
count
middies.
slow.
I am also
Aye, aye,
solo.
Commander.
If
We're
anyone's
moving.
interested,
Wait,
you can
Pib, do you want
my
to stack
little-
with me and Scrubbers? We could form a little stack.
We have thrust again.
I'm kind of in this game that just
What are
started
orders?
that you were spectating,
Well,
Forming on.
and then I
Oh,
might
yeah.
have
Zero
Barotrauma
again.
in like 30 minutes. So
I see.
depending on if that happens or not,
Holding here.
you know.
Ooh,
Zero at 20,
nice
right,
beam on
12.
that solo, Jeremy.
Turn Euro at 12. Let's
Beautiful
kill some
stuff.
blues and this random
Aye, aye,
gold who I've
Commander.
never seen before. Oh,
El Mocha.
They've got us dialed in.
God's own
At
PID
the
right
ready,
there.
Commander. Our sensors are
Okay.
being jammed.
Oh,
Who knew?
no, Puncher,
How
I'm
can we
gonna be
help
honest,
today,
I'm a little
Commander?
salty about last match, but I am curious, like, you
Aye,
kind
aye.
of have some, like, anti-Cirrus attack in the form
Aye,
of circling blades.
Copy
Can
that.
you just
Moving.
explain it really quick?
Incoming.
is it the evade button?
Maybe he's not here.
No, it's muted.
Oh, they already lost. a
Beginning
player?
the attack.
Why?
Retrograde burned to zero.
We just push and kill direct, yeah. I think
It'll be
6508
done,
is our
Commander.
guy.
Spiker in play.
Yeah,
Aye,
because I don't want
They're gonna learn
to
today.
change my mind.
I just figured we should get some games in if we're, like, gonna play in the tourney.
Beginning
Yeah,
the
although
attack.
like
Flag
we
is
don't really
really
have like the fleets we're playing now are definitely
Roger
gonna
that.
change by the time we.
Yeah, I
Nah, but
feel
it's
I
more
don't
like
understand
they're like
the meta
getting
yet.
used to playing with each other, you know?
Moving.
Well, the
Takes
other
us
two
official
teammates aren't
on
here.
Beginning the attack.
Fast drivers, please!
Just really.
Oh no, Mash Drivers. Alright.
Drugs.
You know, if you guys ever
Roger
need
that.
a substitute, you know, I want that.
I
I
claim
found them!
technology.
I found the mass drivers! I'm jamming them, they can't see us!
Oh no, but like,
Tom's jamming them?
Understood.
comms
Engaging.
jamming, yeah.
So true.
Yeah, he got the comms jam too. That's so funny. What is 6508 actually? Because I'm not overpenning with. HE.
Acknowledged. Yes, Commander.
I'm assuming that's the carrier, no?
At the ready, Commander.
Probably. Dump my last shots into it.
Yeah, it has all the fighters around it. Oh, actually the funniest thing right
Yeah,
now
am I
is just kill
cooked?
those bombers.
Yes.
I'm sure that's a Marliner.
I'd hate to be on the other side of those.
Oh man.
Oh, rocket strike on the fucking. Oh, disgusting.
No, it's just a
We're all out of
It's a
minutes.
flathead.
No,
Not much you can do.
In my game, I'm watching a
Whoopsies.
rocket
Vortex.
strike on a levy.
Yep, Vortex goes crazy. It's always funny seeing. Oh no.
Readjusting my fucking jammers.
Oh, my comms jammers out. Oh, that hurt.
Oh, oh.
Enemy missile
I need more
on the scope.
breadsticks actually, now that I think about
Aye,
it.
aye. Full power. You command.
I think that was.
Gone.
Yeah. GG.
Yeah, it's dead.
Halting.
Oh, we win by points. Cool. That was cool.
Oh my god, thank you. Thank you, Sherry.
I ate so much shit. Good job. You sure? Well played, Sherman.
What do you think of this fleet?
Oh, 14k on that B and BD. Oh, nice one,
Oh
Sherman.
man, huge. Oh man.
What do I think of this fleet, Scribs? Oh, it looks like it's gone now because hardly.
Oh yeah, hold on. Let me.
Dear friend, it's the new year. I'm 8 hours away from home. Kids shoot fireworks from street corners and run before they explode. And lovers get drunk on the roof of an underground grocery store. You know my New Year's wish for the place that I call home to stop this stupid war. If they don't burn each other's draft cards, we can write an epic poem. Except this